Welcome aboard Sandy's Sea. She's a 47-foot Atlantic triple cabin motor yacht. Boat shows very well. The exterior paint's in good condition for a boat her age. The canvas is good. Her aft deck is open and airy. The large salon has a lower helm to starboard. The interior woodwork throughout the boat shows very well. She features a galley down layout with a dinette across from the galley. The forward cabin has over-under berths as well as a separate head and shower forward. The mid cabin features an office arrangement with upper and lower berths that convert. There's also a guest head across from the guest stateroom. Master cabin is aft with a centerline walk-around queen berth. There's also an in-suite head with a tub and shower. Boat shows very well. Contact us at Berry-Boger Yacht Sales and we'll be glad to get you aboard so you can see the boat in person.